What do you do if you have a question like this? So where you need to use the addition formula, but they haven't specifically told you what A and B are. What you can do is you can use your knowledge of exact values. By that I mean there's an exact value for sine 30. There's an exact value for sine 45, for sine 90, for sine 60, right? So which values can you use to get sine 15, knowing that you're doing A minus B? So which angles, which values can you subtract to get 15? There's two options. You can do 60 minus 45, or you can do 45 minus 30. And by doing so, you don't need a calculator to solve it. So let's take the second option, 45 minus 30. Okay? And to this, you can apply the addition formula. So sine 45 cos 30 minus cos 45 sine 30. Now for this, you don't technically need to use a calculator, but it's A levels, no one's going to stop you from using a calculator. So at this point, you can literally just type it in if you want to. Or you could just type in sine 15, really. But the reason I'm showing you this is, should they ever ask a question, plugging it in your calculator and writing the answer won't get you the method marks. I'm just showing you the method marks. So if I were to type in each thing, separately, sine 45 cos 30, cos 45 sine 30, you would get, or I would get, this. Okay? And now it's really just a matter of simplifying it. So let's say if I simplify it by taking out a quarter, left with this. And then this simplifies to root 6 minus root 2 all over 4. That's how you can use the addition formula with values and simplifying. So that being said, have a look at question 2. If you can, do it without a calculator. If you really need to, use a calculator. No one's going to stop you. Okay, so for this one, unlike the example where we had a value and we were putting it into brackets, in this case, you have it, unlike the previous question where we were trying to, create brackets and then expand and put into, find the exact values of. In this case, you're trying to get it into brackets. So you have it already expanded in part A. You're going to use the sine addition formula. Your A is 30 and your B is 60. This simplifies to sine 90. And sine 90 is 1. There we go. That's your answer. 1. Okay? Then for G, you're going to use the tan addition formula. It's a plus here, which means inside your bracket, it's also going to be a plus. 45 plus 15, which gives tan 60, which is the same as root 3. Nice and easy. Okay. Try question 3 for me, please. For this one, you need to use the addition formula to expand the bracket. It's a plus on the inside. So tan 45 plus tan 30 over 1 minus tan 45 times tan 30, all in degrees. Hence show that tan 75 is 2 plus root 3. Well, tan 75 is the same as tan 45 plus 30, which is all equal to this. Okay, tan 45 can be simplified to 1, and tan 30 is root 3 over 3. So that's going to be over 1 minus root 3 over 3. Like this. Now it's just a matter of simplifying everything. So if I times everything by 3, it gets rid of these. So 3 plus root 3 over 3 minus root 3. And now it's a matter of rationalizing the denominator, which after doing so gives you 12 plus 6 root 3 all over 6, which is 2 plus root 3. And there you go. That is what they asked us to show. And that's the use of addition formula.